Global Leaders Scholarship 2020 at University of Bath. Applications are invited to apply for the Global Leaders Scholarship 2020 in United Kingdom. Students with any nationality are eligible to apply for University of Bath Scholarship 2020. The funding program is available for full-time taught master's degree and can only be used as fee waivers towards the cost of tuition fees. I'm your host Kanza Ali and once again welcome you to my channel Fun and Facts Hub. The major discussion points are brief introduction of university, scholarship benefits, eligibility criteria, selection criteria, application deadline, how to apply. Kindly watch the video till end. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon button. Without wasting the time, let us start the discussion. The University of Bath is classed as world-leading or internationally excellent research university that offers its international students a supportive, vibrant, and cosmopolitan environment in which to learn. The university provides a broad range of courses spanning engineering, design, sciences, management, humanities and social sciences, etc. With a standing for research and teaching excellence, it is the right place for every student to take higher education. Global Leaders Scholarship 2020 details. University of Bath, degree level, Masters, scholarship coverage, $5,000. Number of awards, 45. Eligible nationality, international. Award country, United Kingdom. Last date, 17 July 2020. Financial benefits, 45 into $5,000. Global Leaders Scholarship are available across the Faculty of Engineering and Design, Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, and Faculty of Science. Eligible countries, all nations, acceptable course or subjects, master degree programs in engineering and design, humanities and social sciences and science. Admissible criteria. To be eligible, applicants must meet the following criteria. Must have a previous year degree, should demonstrate excellent team working skills and have a strong vision for the future. Awarded on the basis of academic excellence, exceptional communication and interpersonal skills, and future leadership potential. Documents. Must submit a CV, academic certificate, transcriptions, and complete 3 to 5 questions as part of application process. Admission requirements. For taking admission, candidates must check the entry requirements for the program. Language requirement. If your education has not been conducted in English language, you will be expected to demonstrate evidence of an adequate level of English proficiency. For more information, go through English language requirement page. How to apply? To be considered for the opportunity, candidates must take admission in the master's degree program at the University of Bath. After holding an offer from the university, students must complete the University of Bath application from using your application tracker. They will ask you to complete 3 to 5 questions as part of the scholarship application process. You can apply for this scholarship once you have an offer to study with US. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any query, kindly comment it in the comment section and like the video.